Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.